Benji. You just love your bags. Uh-oh, wait. There's already one neighbour's been evicted. I don't want to be evicted. Yeah? I need to give you you're going to go and play. I need to give you a shower, but because you're old, it's a delicate thing. Oh. Who's that? Is that the neighbours coming back? Oh. What are they doing? They normally whistle at you. They just got a new dog. Not that that's important. Boo boo boo. Edgy boo boo. A pretty boy. Anyway. Oh, still no. I still gotta learn how to flip and zoom in. Say hello, Ben. And yes, he had his chicken fried rice night Saturday. But he's gotta learn to know how to stop eating. So I think everyone can, well, not everyone. Some people might relate. So we're both of us like, no more. That's milk bread, tiny pieces, which you, and yeah, that's not a real can, that's a money jar, whatever. But anyway, the neighbours have gone and it's been so unreal. It's like weird, but good. But now his best friend in the building, the girl with the crazy kids that are from 6 to, I don't know, 30, she's now getting a bit more lively now that he's gone. Maybe I should be a law enforcement officer. But do you know what? Those kids are more scarier than her, especially the youngest. And it's disgraceful. Isn't it, Ben? What do they do at night? 3 a.m. They crawl up scaffolding, looking in people's windows. Yes. Do they wake you? Good. You wake me, and then I go out and look, and all I can see is that. Ugh, I can't tell you. And the police are on their case, but hey, I don't know. Anyway, hi Stacey, and hi Mr. Max, and hi Peter K. Hope you're doing well with your 80-foot Bigfoot thing project. And Pebbles, and what was the other one? What was the other? The female that shouts and swears. Oh, my brain. I hate it when I. Anyway, Benji, hey, no wires. Come back. I better go. Anyway, love you guys, and I'll keep you updated, because I am zero tolerant of abuse, domestic or animal or neighbors or whatever. You know what I mean? It's just disgusting. So, if you wanna, yes, subscribe, or just like it, that's cool. But I just want to help people as much as I can. Benji, get off. I better go. Bye.